the Great Flats Nature Trail. It's in Schenectady, as you can see. There's a big sign. Right at exit 2A off of 890. 140 West Campbell Road, so here we are. It's a little bit of a drive from where we are, but I have a windmill, so here we are. Okay, so that was our hike here at Great Flats hiking trail, and actually it's a nature trail, and we actually saw a snake there, so that was cool. Also, part of it, we were walking right through a swamp on a boardwalk. That was also cool. And so, yeah, we also saw we also heard a lot of tufted titmouses. Those are birds, by the way, they're not a mouse. So, yeah.